Hi everyone, it's Irene, and I have a couple things I'd like to share with you this evening. I have several of these boxes which I'm calling Junk Journal Gems. They're $80 including shipping. You can PayPal me at craftyirina@gmail.com, and once I receive your payment, I will put them in the mail, and I would prefer friends and family if that's possible. Also, I'd like to do a little giveaway, and this is for Dale. Hi Dale. She is not too shabby chic. She purchased one of these boxes and she does an opening, and if you'd like to see what the contents of this box is, you can see how she sees and views it, or you can view my video one before this one. And it's filled with all kinds of junk journal gem items to make several fun journals. If you'd like to get one, $80, and it includes shipping. But if you'd like to win one of these boxes, if you go to Dale's channel, Not Too Shabby Chic, she does the opening, like I said, of this box. And if you subscribe to her channel and let her know on that particular video where she opens up the items that I sent you, I will be picking a winner on Saturday, December 26th from that video. So just let her know that I sent you and subscribe to her and check out her channel. She's got lovely, lovely videos of her making journals, and she's very fun to listen to, very funny, and go check her out. That'd be fantastic. Another thing I'd like to share with you this evening is my napkin tags and ticket packet. It's going to be $25 shipped in. Like I said, it includes shipping, PayPal to craftyirina.com, at gmail.com, I'm sorry. And it comes with 50 napkins, beautiful, all sizes that you can use for your glue books, journals, tags, pockets. Beautiful, colorful, and bright. 50 of these. Really nice little stash there. And it comes with tickets, shipping tags. You get 5 flashcards. You get 4 large playing cards, which is fantastic for journals. Make them into some really fun items. And you get 3 of these large 8x10 deli bags. You get 2 of these manila envelopes. These are the mini ones. Really fun to make journals out of this. There are 3 of these paper envelopes. Really fun. Love using those. And then there's 5 of these deli bags, and then there's also the small version, and you get 5 and then 4 of these really sweet sizes, as you can see. You get 3 of these brown glassine bags. Love using these. I love the crinkle of them. You get 2 of these 12x12 glassine bags. Really fun to use in a journal. And then you got these 2 craft envelopes and 2 manila. So all of this beautiful stash will be yours for $25, including shipping, PayPal at craftyirina@gmail.com. And some really fun things here for $25. And I'd love to see you guys support and purchase one of these if you wish to play, and with some new items maybe. And then also I'd like to share my card. Hopefully this comes on the video. You can write to me, and there's my email there. You can also find me as Crafty Irina on Instagram. Please come and join me over there. I post a lot of things that I don't do on video, and I also have a Facebook, Crafty Irina, and obviously YouTube is the same, Crafty Irina. So yeah, if you guys come and join me on Instagram, I show quite a few things there that I do that I can't do on the video. You know, just once in a while throughout the day, I'll pop in a picture or so, or whatever I'm working on, really fun projects. I do a lot of quilting, and I live on a farm. I post pictures of my animals there. And this is an address where you can write me. And hopefully that's coming through on video. I'm not sure, but we will see. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for checking me out and supporting me and my channel. Like I said, hop on over to Not Too Shabby Chic. Check out Dale's video of her opening one of these boxes. And on that particular video, let her know I sent you. And I'll be picking a winner on Saturday, December 26th. Hope everyone's doing well. Take really good care. And I'll see you in my next video. Alrighty. Bye-bye.